This goes out to Banff. Alberta Pride worldwide. You hear that, my ladies?
You heard that?
My beautiful ladies. You know, you get my dick wet, I finish in your mouth. That's what it's all about. Alright, here we go. We are camping out, jerking off in public washrooms. Nothing we can do about it. Can't fight the urge. Can't fight the urge. Can't fight the urge. Can't fight the urge. Fight. You just can't. You can't. You gotta come. You wanna come. You're wearing nice jeans. You can't come. You gotta go out the next day. One pair of pants. You gotta come real bad. What do? Public washrooms. Here for you. Here we go. Coming on the toilet, all over the handle. You gotta flush it. Motherfucker. Skiing all over your face. Skiing all over your face. Skiing all over your face. Make some noise. Zombie music. Zombie music. Here we go. Shout out to America. My boy, Boris, from Ohio. Ripping that shit. Ohio State. Coming at you. Breaking through the gate. Coming at you. Pickles in my hands. Breaking your hand. Bite you hard. Rabies all over your arm. All over your arm. Rabies. Everyone's sound asleep, counting their sheep. Sound asleep, we're making beatbox and rapping in the washroom. I don't know why. It's 3 in the morning. Old man is snoring. Old man as in Daniel Melchiono. Shout out to Daniel Melchiono. That old man is fast asleep.
He's masturbating right now.
Coming in Daniel's sleeping bed.
Bring back the beat, bring back the beat.
The beat. Bring back the beat. Here it goes. He's gonna take a hike. 7 in the morning. Old man still snoring. Daniel Melchiono. I'm sorry, folks. This music's R-rated. I'm pretty faded. Gibson drinking in my system. Walking all over the place. Let's do a dance. For ladies. For the ladies.
What?
Riding that cut. Riding that cut. What? That's it, folks. Show's over.
Coming at over, man. I tell you to do it. Yeah.